Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick look at what the midterm project is supposed to look like. Now, I asked you to photograph a series of images, 4 images in total, 2 using natural light and 2 using studio light. But I wanted to give you another explanation of what I meant by series. Now, I don't mean every image should be the same or of the same subject. All the images could be different, but it's the idea of the image that ties the series together. So this is just an example of a series that Heather and I created. It's a series about food that we feed our daughter, so recipes for our daughter. And you can see by the first image here that it's kind of a portrait of us. Now, I'm not asking you to do an image like this for your series. I'm just asking you to do a food photography, but it was included in our series. So let's skip past this photo, and we get to the first food image, and you can kind of feel already that this is for kids. We have like heart-shaped apples and star-shaped apple cutouts. We have cute little packaging and very small bites of food, so small little egg cakes for the kids. Also, you can see that this photo has a human element. There's some bites taken out of the food. There's a cup of coffee sitting there and a pencil and paper, so it adds that kind of human element, like the mom just wrote the letter for her daughter. Here's another image in the series. So it's another food image, and this is an apple and pear couscous. So kind of a sweeter couscous, maybe for breakfast. And you can see that although it is an image of food, we did include props that would give you the hint that this is for kids, like the little playful toys. Here's an image, and it doesn't really add the toys into the image, and it might be a hard read, but it goes with another image that would definitely clue you in that this is for kids, and it's a recipe for samosas, for healthy samosas for kids. Here the clue is very subtle or very quiet. It's not loud and in your face. It's a very quiet idea, and it's the kids' books that are underneath the food. Here's an image, another recipe image that is for children. Here's an image of fruit and yogurt breakfast, a different type of fruit and yogurt breakfast, and you can see that including the child's cookies here, the animal cookies for children, clues you in that it's supposed to be part of this series. So that is the series, and you can see right away that looking at all the images together that this is definitely a series of images for kids' recipes. There's no real mistaking it. There's the toys in the pictures. There's the very youthful recipes. Lots of fruits, lots of vegetables, lots of healthy stuff. So that's kind of what I want for your series. I want a group of images that have a strong idea, and all the images have the same idea. Now, the idea doesn't have to be kids' breakfasts or kids' meals. The idea could be different types of vegetables or pastas, like 4 images of pastas. That would be a series that go together. So there's lots of things that you could do with the series. Get creative, get those ideas out there, write them down on paper, get really creative with them, and then draw out your compositions or sketch out your compositions, and then go to take the photos. Go buy your food, go buy your props, and go to take the photos. So good luck. I can't wait to see your images, and we'll see you after midterm. Bye.